Hello my wonderful viewers, you're welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony, and in today's class we'll be looking at cube roots of a number, and we have some examples on the board, and we are asked to find the cube root of the following numbers. So we have the cube root of 8. Now for a child to solve or to get the cube root of 8 is very simple. Quickly, the way we know our long division, our division of a number, we can put 8 factor method of dividing a number. So we have 2 can go into 8, which is 4. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. Now, these are the numbers we use in dividing. So the cube root of 8, since this is our 8, 1, 2, 3, we have about 2, 2, 2, making it 3. In cube root, since the number is 3, we are pairing them 3 in 3s. Which means in every 3, we pick only 1. If they say square root, we pair 2 and you pick 1. But they say cube root, you pair 3. 3 that are the same. The numbers that are the same, just pair them and pick only 1. That is all. So we have 2, 2, 2. There are 3 numbers and they are the same. So we pair them 1, 2, 3. They are the same. We only pick 1. So therefore, the cube root of 8 is just 2. Let's look at number 2, which says the cube root of 64. We write our 64 and do our factor method of dividing. We know that 2 can go into 64. It will give us 32. 2 again into 32 will give us 16. 2 again can divide 16. It will give us 8. 2 into 8 will give us 4. And 2 into 4 will give us 2. And 2 into 2 will give us 1. Remember, they say cube root, so we are pairing 3 numbers to pick 1. So the cube root of these numbers we use in dividing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me extend my cube root so that it will cover everything, because the cube root of 64. So we pair them in 3s. And make sure that the numbers are the same before you pair them. 2, 2, 2 are the same and pairing them. 2, 2, 2 are the same and pairing them. So in every 3 groups, I'm only picking 1. In every 3 group, I'm picking only 1. So I'm only picking 1 of it, which is 2. The same thing, this is another group, I'm picking only 1. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. So the cube root of 64 is 4. Now let's try another interesting question of number 3, which says the cube root of 27 over 8 divided by cube root of 1000. Now let's quickly do this. As simple as it is, remember your 27, you're dividing your 27. We have our 27 first. Now 2 cannot divide 27 because the last digit number is not an even number. So 2 cannot divide it. What about 3? Can 3 divide 27? Let's check. 2 plus 7 will give us 9. Yes, 9 can be divided by 3. So which means 3 can divide 27. So 3 into 27 will give us 9. So we have another 3 here. 3 into 9 will give us 3. 3 here, 1. So let's also do for 8 as well. For my 8, I'll use 2 here, 4. 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1. I've done this part. Now the second part of it is the 1000. Let me quickly write my 1000. 1000. I'm dividing it by 2. 2 into 10 will give me 5. I'll drop 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 into 1000 is 500. I have my 2 again. 2 into 5 is 2. Remainder 1. I place the remainder 1 behind this 0, becomes 10. 2 into 10 is 5. No remainder. 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 into 500 will give me 250. I have another 2 here. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 5 is 2. Remainder 1. Place the remainder 1 behind this 0, it becomes 10. 2 into 10 is 5. Let me write my 5 very well. So this is 5. Obviously 2 cannot go into 125 because the last digit number is 5. 2 cannot divide it. So let's check whether 3 can divide 125. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 cannot divide 8, so therefore 3 cannot divide 125. Now let's look at 5. Remember, look, I told you in my previous videos, numbers that end with 5 and 0 can be divided by 5. So 5 can divide 125 or 125. 5 into 12, it will enter 2 times remainder 2. Place the remainder 2 behind 5, it becomes 25. 5 into 25 is 5. We use another 5. 5 into 25 is 5. Another 5. 5 into 5 is 1. So we have done the whole factor division. The way the numbers are, we write our cube roots. For 27, I have 3, 3, 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. All over. This is my all over. Then 8. For 8, I have 2, 2, 2. I have 1. I have 2. I have 3. Divide by. Now, for the cube root of 1000, I'll draw my cube root of 1000. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I have my 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you must pair. You must pair them in 3 groups, and the numbers must be the same. So 3, 3, 3 are the same. I pair them. 3, 3, 3 are the same. I pair them. Likewise, 1, 2, 3 are the same. I pair them. 1, 2, 3 are the same. I also pair them. Okay. Now for this group, the cube root of 27 is 1, 2, 3. Out of the 3 group, I'm only picking one of the number, which is 3. All over 1, 2, 3. Out of the 3 2s, I'm only picking 1, which is 2. 1 out of them. Divide by. Now, out of 1, 2, 3, I'm only picking 2. Multiply by. 1, 2, 3. I'm only picking 1. So we have 3 over 2 divided by 2 times 5. Let's take it to the up and continue. Let me copy the same thing here. So we have 3 over 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So 3 over 2 divided by 2 times 5, it will give us 10. Can I put all over 1? Reason being that 10 divided by 1 will still give us 10. I've not done anything or any harm to this number. And there is what we call reciprocal. Changing division to multiplication. In case a child is met with a division number, this is a fraction dividing another fraction. A child can quickly do the reciprocal. How is the child going to do the reciprocal? Follow me as I take you along. The first number is 2 over 3. 3 over 2. I'm writing my 2 over 3 the same way. Then this division will change to multiplication. I will change this division to multiplication. Then something will happen to this 10 all over 1. 1 will go up and 10 will come down. So my 1 going up is 1 over 10. So therefore, we have done the reciprocal. So 3 times 1 will give us 3. 2 times 10 will give us 20. There's no number that can divide both of them. So this is our final answer. So the cube root of 27 over 8 dividing the cube root of 1000 will give us 3 over 20. Let's quickly do the second, number 4 question. Number 4 says the cube root of 1 over 64 divided by the cube root of 125 over 8. Now, on the quick one, for 1, the cube root of 1 or the square root of 1 is always 1. So let's look at for 64. We have 64. Let me quickly write my 64. Dividing it, I'll have 2, give me 32. I'll have 2 will give me 16. 2 will give me 8. 2 will give me 4. 2 will give me 2. And 2 will give me 1. This is for 64. For 125, I have my 125 here. 125. Obviously, 2 cannot divide it because the last digit number is not 2. And 3 cannot divide it because if you add the individual number, it will not give you a number that is divisible by 3. So the next number is 5. 5 into 12 will give us 2, remainder 1. Remainder 2, place it behind 5, it becomes 25. 5 into 25 is 5. So we have 5 again. 5 into 25 is 5. 5 into 5 is 1. What about my 8? 8 here, I'm using 2. 2 here, 4. 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1. So quickly, let's look at the cube root. 3 has been the cube root of 1. Then for 64, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, my space will not be enough. Let me just go down. Let me go down so that it will contain the whole thing. So the cube root of 3, the cube root of 1 over, this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because the numbers here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me extend my cube root sign. Dividing the cube root of 125. The same way, cube root of 125, we have 5, 5, 5. 5 times 5 times 5. Okay? Dividing 8. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Remember I said the cube root of 1 is 1. Okay, permit me to use this small space to kind of complete the solving. Let me use this small space to complete the solving. This small space. Cube root of 1 is 1 all over 1, 2, 3 in brackets. 1, 2, 3 in brackets. So we have 2 multiply. Out of these 3, you are picking 2. Out of these 3 2's, you are picking also 2. Divide by. We have divide by. 1, 2, 3. They're the same thing, you pick 1. All over. 1, 2, 3. They're the same thing, you pick 1. So, which implies that 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. Divide by 5 over 2. The same thing, we do the reciprocal. So we pick 1 over 4, multiply. We are changing division to multiplication. Then 2 goes up, 5 come down. 2 over 5. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 4 times 5 is 20. We can reduce it again because 2 can divide 2. 2 can divide 20. 2 divided by 2 is to give us 1. And 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. So our answer is 1 over 10. So for the question of cube root of 1 over 64, dividing cube root of 125 over 8 will give us 1 over 10. Now we have this question of number 5, the cube root of 27, the cube root of 512, the cube root of 3 whole number, 3 over 8 divided by the cube root of 2 whole number, 10 over 27. Try this and don't forget to send in your answer in our comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.